Siteground is currently offering up to 77% off, with plans starting at just $3.99 per month. The link is in the description. Click on it. We're already on the official Siteground website. Siteground offers several hosting solutions, including web hosting, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, and reseller hosting. You can also explore domains, website building tools, e-commerce services, and AI tools like AI Studio and the AI Agent for WordPress. Now, let's open the pricing page. Here, we can compare the available WordPress hosting plans. The startup plan costs $3.99 per month with 77% off, prepaid for 12 months. It supports one website, unlimited traffic, free SSL, CDN, backups, free email, enhanced security, and includes 10 gigabytes of storage. The Grow Big plan costs $6.69 per month with 77% off. It supports unlimited websites, unlimited traffic, and includes 50 gigabytes of storage, plus features like on-demand backups, faster PHP, and staging. For this tutorial, let's select the Grow Big plan. Now, select your domain name. You can register a new domain or use a domain you already own. After selecting your domain, continue to the checkout page. Here, review your hosting plan, subscription period, domain, and total price. You can also review any additional services before completing your purchase. Finally, enter your payment details and complete the checkout. That's it.